I'm not exactly carrying anything heavy, so I wouldn't know what I can handle if I'm... Oh, you need to kick it on the other side, I see. I wonder how you get to the other side. You gotta travel all that way. There's definitely no way to get there from here.
Small smithing stone, pretty much.
I hope you don't gotta go past the boss dude to get there.
Oh no. Here. Looks like death.
I totally don't remember what's down
There's
here.
an item right here.
It's just a statue.
Ooh, a bow.
Dead dude. Let's see, yeah. Anything for me, I do not have a good handle on these bows, and that's just like, yeah, I'm just gonna stick with magic. I'm just gonna throw fireballs. Fuck this.
Yes, maybe I can open this. Yep.
Hey, buddy, what's up? No. You stay back. Fuck, come on. Fire. Not locking on anything.
Have we been here before? This looks familiar. Yeah.
What's it?
Yeah, we've been here before.
I do not remember this.
Alright, so...
I'm gonna believe you, though.
Yeah.
Did we go this way?
Yeah, we've been here before. This is familiar. Alright. Alright, so we made a big old circle. Was there anything else
What?
down here? Nothing else?
Other than a new bow and death, what's up that way?
Have we been here? We've been here already.
No, you're probably right. Yeah, this is where he came from. And I was saying, you gotta go on the other side of that, kick it. But you can't do it from that way, that's a dead end.
There's a Reaper right there.
Oh. Put your lantern away. What the fuck? I can't put it away.
Alright, guess go back up here. Well, this guy, yeah, he doesn't say nothing though, no more. Alright.
Yeah. He's gotta stay silent, the Reaper's gonna get him.
Whatever boons, but it's your never turn to someone else.
Alright, dude.
That is not true. I will carry your burdens.
Go back.
Until I can't carry no more. And I just say, fuck it. I can't. Nothing's wrong. Oh, this is where the other dude was? Yeah! Great dude. Unripe fruit man.
Yeah.
Look out, baddies.
Look out, baddies.
Yeah,
That's
you
why I
got
say when I
this,
go to the
dude.
club, look out, baddies.
Is that what you said when you walked into the club? I'm picturing you, high school you. Okay, look out, baddies. Here I come.
Alright, and I'm gonna warp to Skyrest to upgrade my weapon. As much as I can. Lady.
Oh, I can upgrade. I mean, update. I mean, yeah, upgrade character. Level up. I should just say level up.
You again.
What am I gonna do? don't know if I'm gonna need agility. I would think agility would be what I need for this weapon.